Hello there. Welcome back to Grade 11 Mathematical Literacy. In this video, we want to look at a common test of March 2022, and we are going to look at question one on that question paper. So our question reads: Mr. Lunga works as a bricklayer. He works 6.5 hours a day, and he charges 110 rands per hour, and all part thereof. So our first question, 1.1.1, reads: convert 6.5 hours to hours and minutes. So basically, that is our first part of our question, and we are going to present it as 1.1, point 1. And our hours are presented as 6.5 hours, and it needs to be converted to hours and minutes. So we are saying we've got 6 full hours that we have, and then we have plus this is now 0.5 hours. And we know that in an hour we have 60 minutes in an hour, so we are going to say 6 hours. 6 hours, 5 times 60 minutes in an hour. So that is, our main minutes are equivalent to 0.5. And then we calculate it as 6 hours. And then here 0.5 times 60, you're going to get 30 minutes. So basically, that becomes your final answer, which is going to be 60 hours and plus 30 minutes, which is simply saying 6 hours and 30 minutes. So this is what we have. So this becomes our final answer. So this is what we have for the first part of our question. Then we can refer to our second part where it says explain the term part thereof according to the context given. So obviously, here part thereof, we are having it as it reads, and the charge is 110 rands per hour or part thereof. So we have part thereof here, which means it means that the 30 minutes will be charged as 110 rands because we've got 30 minutes that are being presented by the 0.5. So the half that we have is now being represented as a full is 110 rands. So basically that's what we have said. 1.1.3 determine the total amount of money Mr. Lunga. So since we are having that explanation that is part thereof, we are going to regard our 0.5 as 110. So on our calculation, we are simply just going to say 1.1.3. We're going to say remember it's 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours, whereby we are saying each hour is 110 rands. So basically, we are saying we have 6 full hours that we are going to multiply by 110 rands. And then we add, remember here we have got for part thereof, which we are saying 0.5 is also equal to 110. So we also add the 110 for the 0.5. So basically, we are saying if you multiply there, and then we add, you are going to get your answer is 770 parts. So this becomes your final answer. So basically, that's what we have in terms of 1.1.3. We can refer to the next part of the question, which is now going to be 1.1.4. Calculate the number of hours worked for a total income of 100. We have 110 per hour, and we have got a total of 440 rand. So to get to 440, or we can say 440 divided by 110, so that we can get the number of hours. So on our answer section, we are just going to do it as such as we are saying. This is now 1.1.4, whereby we are saying 440 divided by the 110 that we have for per hour. And when divide it, you see that you're going to get your 4 hours. So this basically becomes your final answer. Then we go to the next part. This is the last part of this page. So go to the next page. We've got Tom is a farmer. He uses the following tools to measure length and rain in his farm. So we've got the trundle wheel, and we've got the digital rain gauge. So I believe that now that's where we've got the questions. And the first question: use the information above to answer the questions that follow. 1.2.1, write down the radius of the trundle wheel in centimeters. So basically, we'll see that the trundle wheel is the one that we have here, and the question needs us to calculate the radius. So we see that the trundle, we're given the diameter here is 16 centimeters. So obviously when it's radius is half at the diameter. So we're going to say half of 16 centimeters, or just divide 16 centimeters divided by 2. So we just present it in such a way, and we are going to say 1.2.1, whereby we are going to say our 16 centimeters, and then we divide by 2, and then we're going to get your 8 centimeters. So basically, that's what we have. Then we can go to the next part, whereby we are saying 1.2.2. The circumference of the wheel is approximately 50.3 centimeters. Determine the length. The total length at home measured if it rolled 30 times. Obviously, we are saying if the circumference is 50.3 centimeters, it means if it rolls once, we are going to have the circumference, the length being 50.3 centimeters, since the circumference is 50.3 centimeters. But if it's going to roll, if you are saying one row is 50.3, then 30 times will be now 50.3 times 30. Basically, that's what we have. Then you can just say on our second part, that is now 1.2.2, where we are saying 50.3 centimeters. So that we're going to get 1,509 centimeters. So this becomes answer 1.2.2. And we're going to go to the next part of our question, which is now going to be 1.2.3, which says the rain gauge reading displayed on Friday 26 August. Give the rain gauge reading displayed on Friday 26 August. So obviously we need to go there and try to see which what we have. I go through the information that we are given. So we have our reading here, where we have 0.5, and we are saying on the other section we have got a 0.50 inches, which is basically equivalent to half an inch. So we are saying on 1.2.3, where we are saying 0.25, 0.25 inches, sorry, 0.5 inches. We are having our 0.5 here, so we are just going to present it as such. So we are saying so this becomes our response on our 1.2.3. We'll try to go to our last part of our question, which is now 1.2.4. Calculate the difference in outdoor temperature and indoor temperature readings given on the rain gauge. So we come here, we see that we have 72.8 here is our indoor. Here is our indoor, and then we have got 80.5 is our outdoor. So we can just try to calculate the difference between the two, whereby we're saying 80.5 minus 72.8. And the other that we're going to get becomes 7.7. 7. We'll try to see if we calculate there, we'll see that the other that we're going to get to 7.7. 7.7 becomes your answer after subtracting 80.5 minus 72.8. So obviously, that's what we have for the last part of our question. So thank you for listening. Hopefully, the video was helpful. Let's not forget to subscribe and say. Let's not forget to share the link to our colleagues who are doing our grade 11 mathematical literacy. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's get notified of new notifications by turning on the notification button. So let's meet again in the next video. Let's for this video. I'm out.